Hello, wanderlust souls. Welcome to Travel Tips and Tricks, your #1 destination for all things travel. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a newbie just starting your journey, we've got something for you. Our mission is to make your travels smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. We're here to guide you through the ups and downs, the do's and don'ts, and the ins and outs of traveling. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of discovery, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of travel enthusiasts. Now let's dive into one of the most common challenges we all face while traveling: packing. Ever struggled with packing your luggage for a trip? Stick around because we're about to turn that struggle into a breeze. Let's go. Ever struggled with packing your luggage for a trip? The age-old conundrum. Whether it's cramming too many clothes into a tiny suitcase or forgetting to pack your favorite pair of socks, we've all been there. Efficient packing isn't just about fitting everything in. It's a game changer that can turn your travel experience from frustrating to fabulous. It's about making your journey smoother and your vacation more enjoyable. So how about we dive into the art of packing effectively? Having a packing list is the first step to mastering the art of packing. It's like a roadmap to your suitcase, guiding you on what to include and what to leave behind. Now let's dive into the essentials of a well-curated packing list. First up, clothing. Depending on your destination, you'll need a variety of items: shorts and t-shirts for somewhere sunny, or jackets and boots for chillier climates. Next, toiletries. Don't forget your toothbrush, folks. Skincare, hair care, and personal hygiene items are all part of this category. Then there are electronics: chargers, adapters, phones, laptops, the list can go on. Lastly, the all-important documents. Think passports, IDs, travel insurance papers, and any necessary visas. A packing list, dear friends, is your first defense against forgetting that crucial item. It's a simple tool, but it's the key to starting your journey on the right foot. And remember, the goal is not to pack your entire home, but to bring what's necessary. With a packing list in hand, you're ready to start packing. Now, it's time to learn about the most effective packing techniques. Let's start with the clothes. Instead of folding, try rolling them. This method not only maximizes space, but also minimizes wrinkles. It's a win-win. Next, consider the weight of your items. Heavier items should go at the bottom of your suitcase to maintain balance and prevent lighter items from being squished. Now let's talk about packing cubes. These little lifesavers help you categorize your items, making it easier to locate what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Plus, they keep your clothes compact and wrinkle-free. And what about those shoes? Don't let that space go to waste. Fill them up with small items like socks, belts, or even your travel-sized toiletries. Each of these techniques has its own advantages, from saving space to preventing wrinkles and keeping your luggage organized. Master these techniques and you'll be a packing pro in no time. Packing liquids can be tricky, but understanding flight regulations can make it a breeze. Have you ever heard of the 3-1-1 rule? It's the golden rule for packing liquids in carry-on luggage. It means you can bring liquids, aerosols, gels, creams, and pastes in containers of 3.4 ounces or less. Now, all these containers should fit into one clear, quart-sized zip-top bag. And remember, only one of these bags is allowed per passenger. But don't forget, rules can vary from airline to airline, so it's always wise to check your airline's baggage policy before you start packing. Some may have special regulations or exceptions that could save you some space and hassle. Keep in mind, these rules are in place for everyone's safety, so it's crucial that we adhere to them. So there you have it. With these tips and techniques, you're now ready to pack your luggage like a pro. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. First, never underestimate the power of a well-thought-out packing list. It's your secret weapon for stress-free travels. Second, mastering the art of packing isn't rocket science. It's all about utilizing space wisely and keeping your clothes wrinkle-free. Lastly, be in the know about flight regulations for liquids. It's not just about avoiding fines, but also about ensuring your favorite shampoo doesn't get confiscated. Remember, good packing isn't just about fitting everything in your suitcase, it's about making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. So pack smart and safe travels. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you found our tips and tricks helpful and that they will make your next packing experience a breeze. We'd love to hear your own packing hacks, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments section. If you've enjoyed this video and want more travel tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay notified. Thank you for joining us on this packing journey. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.